The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers. It's so big that the UK and Ireland would fit into it 17 times. The Amazon is found in South America, spanning across Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Running through the north of the rainforest is the Amazon River, following a length of around 6,400 kilometers. It is the second longest river in the world. The longest is the River Nile, stretching on even longer, 6,650 kilometers. In 2007, a man named Martin Strel swam the entire length of the Amazon River. To complete his splashing jungle journey, Martin powered through the water for up to 10 hours a day for 66 days. Around 400 to 500 indigenous Amerindian tribes call the Amazon rainforest home. It's believed that about 50 of these tribes have never had contact with the outside world. The Amazon has an incredibly rich ecosystem. There are around 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, 3,000 types of fish, 430 mammals, and a whopping 2.5 million different insects. Wow! The Amazon is home to a whole host of fascinating and deadly creatures, including extracheles, fish-eating piranhas, poison dart frogs, jaguars, and some seriously venomous snakes. This area of immense natural beauty is sometimes referred to as the lungs of the earth. This is because the rich vegetation takes carbon dioxide out of the air and releases oxygen back in. In fact, more than 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by the Amazon. Due to the thickness of the canopy, the top branches and leaves of the trees, the Amazon floor is in permanent darkness. In fact, it's so thick that when it rains, it takes around 10 minutes for the water to reach the ground.